In this video, we will explore the basics of photocouplers and look at circuits that apply them. First, let's look at the exterior. This is the PC817 photocoupler, which is commonly used. It takes the 4-pin IC with 2 pins for the control power and 2 pins for the load. If you split the circuit symbol in half, it divides into an input section and an output section. First is the input section. When power is connected, the IR LED in the circuit activates and emits light. The role of the input section is to activate the transistor in the output section. Next is the output section. There is a phototransistor here. The phototransistor detects the IR light emitted from LED, allowing current to flow. It is similar to current entering the base of a standard transistor, but instead of current, light enters. Whether the transistor operates or not is determined by the presence or absence of IR light. There are few terms used here. The terms used in the input section are forward current and forward voltage, which I have introduced in other videos. The reason for using diode terminology is because of the IR LED in the input section. Forward current refers to the maximum allowable current of the input section. Forward voltage refers to the operating of the input LED. This is also used when calculating the register value for the input section, and the formula is as follows. The output section uses transistor terminology. VCEO is the maximum voltage the output section can handle. If an output exceeding this voltage occurs, the transistor will be destroyed. Collector current is the maximum current the output section can handle. Photocouplers can usually handle small current of less than 100 mA. Now, let's look at an application circuit. The 5V at the input passes through a current limiting resistor and is delivered to the photocoupler's input. At this time, the IR LED activates. Light from the IR LED is transmitted to the phototransistor in the output section. The phototransistor activates, allowing current flow in the output section. This is how the photocoupler performs its role in a circuit. In this video, we briefly learned how a photocoupler operates in the circuit. In the next video, we will learn about BMS, which is a battery protection circuit. If you found the video useful, please subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.